In today's tutorial, we'll be using VRCFury to add a prop to our avatar that has no armature. I'm going to create a new folder, call it SG Glasses. You can call it whatever you want. You don't even need to make a folder. I just want to be organized. Now I'm going to drag in my FBX file. Then I'm going to drag in my textures, create a new game object, an empty one. I'll call it my glasses. Now I'm going to drag the object into that game object. So you can see my glasses right here. Now what we're going to do is add a component, type in VRCFury, click it, click add. We're going to add a armature link right here. It's going to add us to link the item, which will be this. Boom, glasses v3, links to hips. We're going to do head. Now, if we hit play, being I have gesture manager, I can test this. If we click on the character and we move it, you can see that the glasses come with. If we didn't have VRCFury, it would stay in place and you would need to drag it somewhere else. But VRCFury makes it very simple, and we can do other things too. So if I want to make this toggleable, we can simply go to toggle, and now it's going to ask us for a menu path. With this one, the way how it's set up is clothing and then the item. So I'm simply just going to copy and paste this one. So clothing, and then it says sweatpants. It's going to be specs. That's just how I want to name it. I'm going to do options, save between worlds, default on. Now, whenever I go into a world, the glasses will be able to be toggled on and off, but by default, it will be set to on. So if we simply go to gesture manager, hit expressions, go to clothing, you see all of these items are set to on, but if I click on this, you can see how it doesn't work and it doesn't do anything because it's broken. Being that this object must always be on, that's why we have it nested. So what we'll do is simply drag the actual item into this. Now what happens is when the toggle is enabled, it will turn this on. And the reason why you want this is because let's say you have underwear and then you have your pants. You want to make it to where if you have your pants toggled, then it basically untoggles your underwear. So if we want to simply test this, we can hit play. We'll see specs here. Boom, easy peasy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do me a favor and leave a comment below letting me know it worked for you. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to continue watching content like this, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. As always, continue learning and have a nice day.